If you think passive income means set it and forget it, you've already lost, because in 2026, the people making real passive income aren't working less, they're working smarter upfront. There are people earning $50 a day doing nothing now, because they put in 3 months of focused effort earlier. And then there are people chasing easy money who never make a single dollar. So what actually works? Stay with me until the end, because the last point is the one that will actually change how you handle money forever. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you passive income ideas that don't require thousands of dollars to start, which methods can realistically make you your first $100 online, and which passive income ideas are actually traps that waste your time. Let's get into it. Digital products, low cost, high leverage. A single $10 digital product can make you over $3,000 without you touching it again. There's a creator who made a simple Notion template and sold it 300 times in a month. That's $3,000 from one file. Digital products are things like templates, ebooks, planners, or guides. You create it once, then platforms like Gumroad or Etsy sell it for you 24/7. Let's say you create a $15 study template. You only need 7 sales a day to hit over $3,000 a month. And the best part, no inventory, no shipping, no ongoing work, just pure leverage. This taps into something powerful, the feeling of finally making money while you sleep. But here's the catch. Most people fail because they create what they like, not what people are already searching for. And that brings us to the next idea, which flips everything you think you know about passive income. Affiliate marketing. Without a big audience, most people think you need millions of followers to make money online. That's completely wrong. Before, you try to become an influencer, post daily, and hope something goes viral. After, you create targeted content that solves one problem and attach a product to it. Affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend a product, you get paid when someone buys through your link. For example, a simple YouTube video reviewing a $50 product can earn you $5 per sale. If that video gets just 20 sales a week, that's $400 a month from one video. Now imagine 20 videos like that. That's when it starts to feel real. This works because people are already looking for solutions. You're just placing yourself in front of them. But here's where it gets interesting. What if you didn't need to rely on other people's products at all? That's where point 3 changes the game completely. YouTube automation, faceless channels. Have you ever watched a YouTube video with no face, but millions of views? Those channels are printing money, and most viewers don't even realize it. Faceless YouTube channels earn through ads, affiliate links, and digital products. Think of it like owning digital real estate. Each video is an asset. One video can bring in views and income for years. For example, a finance video with 100,000 views can easily generate $300 to $800 in ad revenue alone. Now imagine building a library of 50 videos. That's when income becomes consistent. The beauty? You don't need to show your face. You can outsource scripts, voiceovers, and editing, or do it yourself for free. This idea hits something deeper. The excitement of building something once. That keeps paying you back. But there's one problem. Most people jump into this and quit too early, which is why the next point separates winners from everyone else. Dividend investing, slow but powerful. Here is what separates people who build wealth from everyone else. They don't chase fast money, they build systems. Dividend investing is exactly that. You invest in stocks that pay you regularly. Here's how to start. Step 1. Invest in dividend-paying ETFs or stocks, like ones averaging 3 to 5% yearly returns. Step 2. Reinvest every dividend automatically. Step 3. Stay consistent monthly. Let's break it down. If you invest $300 per month at an average 8% return, in 20 years, you're looking at around $176,000, and a portion of that pays you passively every year. No extra work, no selling. This builds a sense of security most people never experience. But there is one mistake that destroys all of this progress, and almost everyone makes it. The biggest passive income mistake. Before you do anything else, you need to hear this. Passive income is not passive in the beginning, and believing it is will cost you years. People jump from idea to idea. They try dropshipping for 2 weeks, YouTube for 10 days, affiliate marketing for a month, then quit. Here's the truth: every passive income stream has a silent phase. No money, no results, just effort. Most people give up right there. But the ones who win, they push through that phase, because on the other side, income compounds fast. This is where frustration turns into momentum, and that's the difference between people who dream about money and people who actually build it. But if you've made it this far, here's something I didn't even plan to share. I was going to save this for a separate video, but since you have made it this far, here it is: stack your income streams. Don't rely on just one. For example, a YouTube video can promote your affiliate link and your digital product at the same time. One piece of content, multiple income streams. This is how people go from $100 per month to $1,000, then $10,000. It's not more work, it's smarter structure. Let's lock this in. Passive income works, but only after upfront effort. The best strategies use leverage, not just time, and consistency beats chasing quick money every single time. Money isn't about working harder, it's about building systems that work for you. If this video gave you even one idea that could change your financial future, hit subscribe right now. I drop new money tips every week, the kind your school never taught you. And drop a comment below, tell me which point hit you the hardest. I read every single one.